Strategy 4. Ask me about. Ask me about incorporated with the Science Grade 4 TEKS. In these instructions, we're going to have the teacher select several critical vocabulary words and choose a word to be used as the Ask Me About for the day. The teacher will provide a definition and ensure that students understand by providing examples and asking questions. Once the student understands, the teacher will place an Ask Me About vocabulary pin on the student's shirt, and the student will walk around all day and define the word and use examples to anyone who asks. This gives the student plenty of practice with the word and allows them the opportunity to use real-life examples. In this example, the students will have a pin to ask me about renewable resources or ask me about non-renewable resources. One fun way I think you could incorporate this Ask Me About pin is you could have half of your class have a pin that says Ask Me About renewable resources, and the other half could have non-renewable resources. At the end of the day, the students can come back together to talk about their experiences on identifying the renewable and non-renewable resources. Strengths and benefits. The student will be provided with several real-life opportunities to identify renewable and non-renewable sources because people will be asking and they will get a chance to practice this terminology often.